Hey, what's up, everyone? 2013 Tacoma. I'm doing the rear tail light housing assembly. Mine's got some internal water, moisture, whatever. That you could also use this video to change the bulbs. First, you want to drop the tailgate, and then we're going to come over here, and there's 3 bulbs. We're going to get this 10mm bolt off, and there's one down here, not the one right here, but the one below it. So we'll go ahead and get this one off, and then down here, we're going to get this 10mm bolt off. Okay, and once those are off, you're going to wiggle this and pull it out towards yourself, away from the vehicle. Just keep wiggling it. It's going to be kind of tight. You just wiggle until it pops loose. I'll show you why. It has these little peg right here. This peg sticks into this little grommet, and there's one on the bottom as well. That's why it's in there so tight. It's just to hold it still. Anyways, so once it's off, if you want to get the lights out, you unscrew or you twist these little connectors here. You twist it and pull it right out, and then you could change your bulb out. You just pull the bulb out and then put your new bulb in. So if you were going to do this one, you just pull it out and then put the new one in. Be careful not to like squeeze the bulb and cut your fingers up. The middle bulb is a LED. I don't think it's replaceable at all. It's just this the top and the bottom bulb are serviceable. So I'm going to disconnect this main connector right here because I'm replacing this whole assembly. Go ahead and just it disconnects right there. And if you want to see where the little button is on, this one's on the side right here, but that's what the button looks like. You push on that, and then you pull these connectors apart. Yep, just pull it apart like that. And yeah, so here's my old one. My new one is a factory one. It's OEM. It comes with all the bulbs and wires attached. If yours was aftermarket, you may have to switch these wires over to your new one. Perhaps, but I don't know. But here's my part number for my factory one. Comes with all the bulbs. All I gotta do is really plug this connector in, which is super nice. And also, if yours is aftermarket, you may have to switch these little things over, these tabs for the bolts to thread into. So we'll go ahead and reconnect this right here. Okay, make sure you hear a little snap. It's a kind of a quiet snap up. Make sure you hear it. Then we're going to line these pegs up and put them in these grommets right here. Make sure the top and bottom are lined up, and then just gently push this in. And when you have it in, shut your tailgate slowly at first in case it's misaligned. You don't want to break your taillight assembly. But yeah, once that's in, go ahead and put these 10mm bolts in. Let's go ahead and get those in, and then after those are in, you should be good. Test it. Make sure your tailgate shut it slowly first to make sure. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helped you out.